everyone. Today we will do exercise 1.1 of unit 1, that is numbers and number names. So let's get started. Question number 1 is read the abacus and write the numeral and its number name. So first of all, here the abacus is given. We need to read it, fine, according to the places and according to the beads, and then we have to write the numeral, means the number, and then the number name. So let's see. This abacus has 4 spikes, fine, and this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place, fine. But when we have to read the abacus, we will start reading from the extreme left side, fine, that is from the thousands place. So at thousands place there is only one bead, so first of all we will write 1. Then at hundreds place there are 0 beads, so we will write 0. Then at tens place we have 2 beads, so we will write 2. And then at ones place we have 3 beads, so we will write 3. And you can write the places above it to just read it and to write the number name of it, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000. We have to start writing the places from the right side, fine. We always read the number from left side, but when we have to mention the places, we start writing the places from the right side. So let us write the number name, because the number here is 1023, because 1 is at thousands place and tens place and ones place we have to read together, so it is 23. So 1 is at thousands place, so we will write 1000. Then it is 23, so we will write 23. So 1023. Next is part B. Now here again the abacus is having 4 spikes up to thousands place. So let's see. At thousands place there are 7 beads. At hundreds place we have 4 beads. At tens place we have 5 beads, and at ones place we have 1 bead. So let us write the numeral. First of all, at thousands place we have 7 beads, so we will write 7. Then we have 4 beads, so after 7 we will write 4. Then 5 beads, we have to write here 5. And at the end there is only 1 bead on the spike, so we will write 1. So 7451. Why 7000? Because 7 is at thousands place, fine. Now 7 is at thousands place, we will write 7000. 4 is at hundreds place, we have to write 400. And tens and ones we have to read together, means it is 51. So we have to write the spelling of 51. So the number name for this is 7451. Now part C. Now this abacus has 5 beads at thousands place and 5 beads at ones place, and in between there are no beads. So first of all we have to write 5, after that 0, then again we have to write 0, and then at ones place we have to write 5. So the number is, or the numeral is 5005. For reading the number you can write the places above it, okay. So 5 is at thousands place, we have to write 5000, and then this 5 at ones place will be written as it is, means 5005. Now next is question number 2. Show the given numeral on the abacus and make its place value chart. First of all, this numeral is given. We need to show this numeral on the abacus, and then we have to write its number name. So first of all, we will show this numeral on the abacus. So this is a 4-digit number, so we have to draw 4 spikes, fine. Then we have to mention the places ones, tens, 100 and 1000. And now first of all the digit is 5, so we have to make 5 beads here at thousands spike. Then 9, so here at hundreds place we need to make 9 beads. Then next is 3, so at tens place we will make 3 beads. Then at ones place there are 2 beads, so we have to draw 2 beads here, fine. So we have just shown this number on the abacus according to the beads. Now we have to just make a place value chart for this number. So for making the place value chart, simply we need to write the places up to thousands place because it's a 4-digit number, and then we have to just write the digits or the number under the respective places. So here we have 5 beads and the first digit of the number is also 5. So here at thousands place we will write 5. Then at hundreds place we have 9 beads. So we will write 9. At tens place we have 3 beads. So at tens place we have to write 3. At ones place there are 2 beads. So we have to write 2. So this is how you can just show the given number on the abacus, and then you can just make a place value chart for it. Now similarly we have to do the remaining parts of this question. So let's do them one by one. Next is part B and the number is 2069. So first of all we will make an abacus like this, and then we have to just draw the beads according to this number. So first of all the digit is 2 and it's a 4-digit number. So there are 4 spikes, and on the first spike we have to draw 2 beads. Then it is 0, so we will leave it blank. After that we have 6, so we'll make 6 beads here. Then it is 9, so at ones place we will just draw 9 beads. So we have shown the number on the abacus. Now we will make a place value chart. So again we will mention the places like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, and then we we will observe this abacus and then write the number here in the place value chart. So at thousands place we have 2 beads, so we have to write here 2. Then at hundreds place we have no beads, so we will write 0. At tens place there are 6 beads, so we will write 6. At ones place there are 9 beads, so we have to write 9. So the number is 2069. Now part C. Now here the number is 3330. Again we have to make the abacus. First of all we will just draw 3 beads. After that 3 beads, then again 3 beads. Then we have to draw no bead. There will be no bead on the ones spike. Fine. Now we will just make the place value chart for this number. So by reading the abacus we will just make the place value chart. We have to mention the places up to thousands. Then at thousands place we have 3 beads. So we will write 3 under the thousands place. At hundreds place also 3. Tens place is also having 3 and ones place is having 0. So the number is 3330. Always remember, read tens and ones place together. Now next is part D, 2222. So we have to draw the abacus up to thousands place, and on every spike we have to draw 2 beads, and then we will make the place value chart. We have to mention the places up to thousands. Whenever we have to write the places, we must start from the right side, and whenever we have to read the number, we have to start from the left side. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now after reading the beads from the abacus, we will just write the number here. So at thousands place we have 2 beads, so we will write here 2. On the hundreds spike there are 2 beads, so here at hundreds place we will write 2. And similarly on tens and ones place we will read the abacus and write here. Fine. So the number will be 2222. Now the next part, part E, 4835. So you have to draw 4 spikes again up to thousands place. On the first spike we have to make 4 beads. On the second spike we have to draw 8 beads. On third we have to make 3 beads, and on last we have to draw 5 beads. So we have shown this number on the abacus. Now we will make a place value chart for it. So mention the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000. Fine. And at thousands place we have 4 beads, so write here 4. At hundreds place we have 8 beads, so at hundreds place we need to write 8. At tens there are 3 beads, so we have to write 3. At ones there are again 5 beads, so we will write 5. So the number is 4835. Now the last part of this question, 1531. So again it's a 4-digit number, so we will make 4 spikes on the abacus. Mention the places starting from the right side: ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then on the thousands spike 1 bead. 100 there are 5 beads according to the numeral. At tens again we have to make 3 beads, and on ones we will make 1 bead. Now we will make the place value chart. Okay, so first of all Mention the places, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then start writing the number from here. At thousands place, there is 1 bead, so write 1. At hundreds place or hundreds spike, there are 5 beads, so write 5 under the hundreds place. On the tens spike, we have 3 beads, so write 3 under the tens place. On ones, we have 1 bead, so here we will write 1. So the number is 1531. Now next is question number 3. Fill in the placeholders. Here we have 4 places, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Here on the left side numbers are given. Now we have to take one number and we have to represent every digit on the right side according to the places. Fine. So here ones, tens, 100 and thousands. So the first number. So what you can do, you can start writing this number here from the right side. See, at the end on the right side it is 1. So write 1 under the ones place, or you can say there are 4 places and the number is also of 4 digits. So you can start writing from here also. Otherwise you can start from the ones place. Fine. So 2 you have to write here at thousands place, 8 at hundreds place, 5 at ones place and 1 at the ones place. Similarly in the second one, 3593. So 3 will be written under the thousands place, 5 under the hundreds place, 9 under the tens place and 3 under the ones place. Now next is 2090. So write 2 here under thousands, 0 under hundreds, 9 under tens and again 0 at ones. Now 1535. So the first number will be written at thousands place, second at hundreds place, third at tens place and fourth at ones place. Now similarly 6666. So the first one under the thousands place, second one under hundreds, third one under tens and last one under ones. Now similarly the last part 8581. So the first one under thousands, second one under hundreds, third under thousands and fourth under the ones place. So I hope you all would have understood this exercise.